Good morning. Well, I want to read them for French.
Yeah, go ahead.
Le bonjour, je suis la français, je suis français, la frenelle, le Padi Padi, le voix, ici, frenelle.
You don't sound like French at all.
And I lie, Joe.
You don't sound like French.
Come on, I lie.
You don't sound like...
Do
see, my own, I don't speak Mexican.
Do French.
No, I don't know if you're waiting because I'm here French.
Oh, yeah, do Mexican.
Et tu l'avons, et le trous, le potentiel, tu l'utilise après, tu l'utilises, tu l'utilises, Ah, you understand now, you understand. I'm more doing India,
I want to do India where I speak English.
Oh, yeah.
Well, good morning, this very beautiful morning. I'm greeting you, everybody, in the Wazobia TV. What telling you, this is Padi Padi. We've come in the morning to come and greet everybody. We say good morning to you. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Shaitan sur la partie dans la vie de Bala. Aujourd'hui, il y a tu peux ni télévision.
Hieri patoni me sachela tiria peria tai. Just priya.
I am come back house.
What's up, Botono?
Alpha. You know.
I like you, Sha.
I like you back.
I like you, Sha.
I like you
well.
I like you well back.
Come on, let's go.
I am going to see pictures. Maybe just make us laugh small. Some pictures. Laugh the laugh things. Let us go. This is on a sad story.
I'm telling you.
It's a sadden something. Ungrateful children. Very ungrateful children.
You know, your father will say, you are very ungrateful. When I date your age, if I see any woman won't go fetch water for stream, make the stream far, be like for here to school. I go collect her, help her and go, come back. But you know, to open gate for me, you ask, is the gate man not there? You are very ungrateful. Do you know how much I pay your school fees?
But this is going to be like personality, you know.
Well,
the way they look me now, can they tell me, saying, they're ungrateful.
You can't, what rapping?
Is he a limousine?
Oh, but I will buy you this kind of motor car. I will put you inside of it and attack people to carry you.
It be like motor, it be like coffin.
Oh, but what's strong in you? This is a motor car. It's a molded motor car, custom made, fit for one. What rapping?
Well, no wahala.
Now what?
They will figure them out somehow. Maybe we see the second one. Jesus. My wife just wake up for midnight. See this guy, they look you. No light.
How that thing take enter in mouth?
Na talent now.
And more people they carry.
Na talent.
Which kind of talent? I don't want this kind of talent.
I mean, I just say, my wife come make I kiss you. Okay, if that's the second. Hey!
You know, say this thing a culture for one African country.
But why they not go say Africans? They do like say we know.
You know, say this thing a one culture for African countries. If you don't they reach babe level, you know, as a maiden,
you must do all this.
They go design your lip, put something for inside your lip.
See the guy carry iPod for hand. iPod, you know, carry machine gun
this age and time.
Now warrior like this, warrior.
I'm telling you.
So that means the uglier you are, the more warriors. When
the girls,
all your mouth don't say, wow, very handsome.
What is this? Which kind of thing? People know where. I'm just tired for the awareness of people. What happened?
It's all good. Not before this world. This Obodo Africa, so anything can happen.
Anything is possible.
Anything can happen.
It be like football. Anything is possible.
Anything goes.
They can score goal in the last minute. So wash your hand.
I wash your hand.
And then for our word of the day.
Baskaya.
For our word of the day for today, the word for the day na oscoff. Oscoff is the inverted vertical of course. You know. So when person asks you question, is that your name, Oscoff?
Oscoff, yes.
Is that your house, Oscoff?
Oscoff, yes.
Is that your girlfriend,
Oscoff, yes.
Are you liking what Padi Padi, Oscoff?
Oscoff,
is Padi Padi your favorite, Oscoff? Anything they tell you, Oscoff?
Yes, Oscoff.
Are you my guy?
Oscoff.
Have we finished this show?
Oscoff.
Are we going now?
Oscoff.
Are we bye-bye?
Oscoff.
We can now go now.
Oscoff. You understand me now? So we'll go see you now tomorrow. But Maya, before we come up for this too, but seriously speaking, so you don't get textbook now.
Can you respect yourself? I bet we don't come for inside the show.
So now so they do anyhow.
No, we don't come out there.
See, God will judge you.
I will
God will judge you.